The following portion of Studio 512 is sponsored by Legacy Roofing Pros. Hey, did you know roof repairs and replacements can actually potentially impact your home's structural integrity? Owner David Hanna joins us with General Manager Eddie Iglesias to talk about how Legacy Roofing Pros sets themselves apart. We're going to start with you, David. There are a lot of roofing companies out there. Can you talk to us about what makes y'all different?
Sure. So we believe that protecting a homeowner's house starts way before we ever put on the roof. So we use a full home protection system called the catch-all system. It's like a curtain wall that wraps the entire house, and it protects your flower bed, your shrubs, your pool, your HVAC equipment, all the things that could get damaged from falling debris. We also put structures in place to protect your shrubs so they don't get broken, and we put extra plywood across the doors and the windows to protect them as well.
Eddie, usually the first indication that you've got a problem with your roof is that you see something like a leak. So how can homeowners tell if they need a new roof before it becomes an emergency?
That's a great point. Typically, by the time that you see a leak, the damage is already spread. Here in Central Texas, with our extreme weather, our roofs take a beating, from hail to high winds to even the scorching sun. So damage isn't visible from the ground. So the only way to really know is to get a professional inspection. Our roofing consultants offer free, no obligation inspections. We use advanced technology like drone imaging and AI-driven reports that help us detect whether there's hidden damage that could cost homeowners thousands later if gone unchecked.
And David, I just want to come back to you one more time because your company actually has a pretty powerful story. Can you talk to me about why you and your wife started Legacy Roofing Pros?
Sure. So it actually started with our late son, Clyde. He had a dream to build the biggest, best roofing company in Central Texas, and we've adopted that dream. Gabby is our granddaughter, and she has Down syndrome, and now we're raising her. We started building this company, but it's also with Gabby in mind. So it's called Legacy Roofing Pros because it's Greg's legacy. We call him Greg in the family. But it's also Gabby's legacy, and we're trying to build a company that's going to outlast us, that can continue to provide for her long after we're gone. We operate with the values of integrity and customer service forefront in our minds. So when you choose Legacy Roofing Pros, you're not just choosing a great new roof, you're also choosing a local family-owned company that supports their community.
I can tell that you guys have a lot of heart in what you do. Thank you, gentlemen, both so much for your time today.
Thank you.
Get started with a free, no-obligation roof inspection today at legacyroofingpros.com. The preceding portion of Studio 512 was sponsored by Legacy Roofing Pros.